Have you ever wondered why the world's wealthiest people live so simply? Look at Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, still living in the same modest house he bought decades ago, driving an old car. Or Elon Musk, who sold most of his properties and chose a small, prefabricated home near his company. Are they being cheap, or do they understand something most people don't? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't stay broke because they earn less, they stay broke because of how they spend. It doesn't matter if you earn $10,000, $20,000, or even $1 million a month. If you keep spending money on these 8 things, you will stay poor forever. But if you avoid them, even with a low salary, your financial life can change fast. Imagine yourself in 2025, no stress about rent, no panic over car payments. Instead, you're saving, investing, maybe even building a business. That future starts by crushing these 8 habits. First, brand new electronics just to keep up. The latest phone, the newest laptop, all marketed to make you feel outdated. But a 2-year-old phone still does everything you need. Rich people upgrade only when it boosts productivity, not ego. Every unnecessary upgrade steals money from your future. Second, oversized homes you can't afford. Big houses don't equal success, big expenses do. Mortgages, taxes, maintenance quietly drain you. The wealthy see homes as shelter, not trophies. Function beats flash every time. Third, expensive branded clothes. Trying to look rich is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Most real millionaires dress simply. They invest in assets, not logos. Fourth, brand new cars. The moment you drive it off the lot, its value drops. Monthly payments plus depreciation destroy wealth. The rich buy used and let their money grow elsewhere. Fifth, impulsive entertainment spending. Concerts, bars, trips, last-minute plans. Each one feels small. Together, they're massive. Enjoy life, yes, but with limits. This is where most people leak money without noticing. Sixth, get-rich-quick seminars and fake gurus. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Real wealth comes from skills, patience, and credible education, not overnight promises. Seventh, daily fancy coffee and food deliveries. $5 a day doesn't feel like much, but that's over $1,800 a year. The wealthy control small habits because they understand compounding. Eighth, random junk and clutter. Cheap decor, novelty items, things you don't need. Small purchases repeated often quietly steal your future. The wealthy choose quality or nothing at all. Now here's the real secret behind all of this. Mindset. You're not cutting these things to suffer, you're cutting them to gain freedom. You stop chasing instant pleasure and start playing the long game. People may laugh at your old phone, they may judge your simple car. Let them. You're building something they don't see yet. True wealth gives you options to help family, support causes, travel freely, or retire early. None of that is possible when money is wasted on status symbols. So ask yourself, what matters more, temporary approval or permanent freedom? Start today. Avoid these 8 things. Watch how fast your life begins to change. And if you want more simple, real advice on building wealth, subscribe, like this video, and tell me in the comments what habit you're quitting first. I'll see you in the next one.